Hello and welcome to another tutorial on eClicks. In today's tutorial I will be showing you how to generate AI images and make money with it on TikTok. Let's get started. First you need to open your browser, be it Chrome or Firefox browser. Now type in the search bar Bing Image Creator. Google will pull up a list of results. Click on the very first one with the title Image Creator from Microsoft Designer. This will open the Bing AI Image Creator page. Here you will see where to type in your prompt. A prompt is a text message that you want the AI to convert to images. Also Bing give 15 free energy every day for you to use and generate your images. However, as you can see I have 4 left. If you do not know what to type in the text area, you can also use the Surprise Me button and the AI will give you a prompt and generate the image for you. Also you can explore the idea below with the pictures shown. By just clicking on the picture and the prompt used to generate the image will be displayed. You can copy this and adjust it to what you want. For this tutorial, I will be typing in my own prompts into the text area. I will type create me a hyper-realistic, Pixar-style, cartoon character of a boy and a girl holding hands and looking into the night sky to view the northern lighting, show them in a beautiful garden. Now click create. The AI will generate you 4 images based on your prompt. You can now see how beautiful this image is. You can download the best, but I like the 4 images, so I will go ahead and download them one after the other. To download the images, click on each one and this will open it in a bigger viewing page. Now click on the 3 dots after the share button. Now the images have downloaded into your device. To see the image, open your file manager and look for the images. Then press and hold on the image. This will give you options to rename and also to save. After renaming, click on the save image and this will save it to your photo gallery. From here you will be able to add it into TikTok. Once you have added it to your TikTok by clicking on the plus icon and selecting the image to upload, now you can add a background music to the image and also text. Then click next, add a title and a hashtag for your post. Click on post to TikTok and your images will be live. This way, you can be posting images for your specific niche. Let's say you are posting images of boxing matches between superheroes. This is your niche and over time you will begin to have followers, and when you have up to 1,000 followers, you can start working with artists on TikTok by using their song for your image and you will be paid between $10 to $300 if you meet up with the required views or likes. Or you can join the Creator program if you have up to 10,000 followers. Alright, that's all for now. Drop your comment and follow me for more content and tutorials. Thank you for watching.